Using a membership site to generate targeted prospects. A fantabulous way to establish a massive list and leads is to create a free membership site where you contribute away quality products in exchange for subscriptions. But it isn't enough that you produce it. The more important facet is in traffic generation. You need to do some big promotions so that individuals can visit your membership site and turn into members. Here's a few awesome list building strategies to get massive potential subscribers to your site. Place an opt-in form on every web page. You never ever know which of your web pages your visitors are going to chance upon, so it's best to put your opt-in form on all applicable web pages for utmost exposure. Acquire a reliable autoresponder or membership site management software package. Don't make do with a free autoresponder or a membership management software if you're serious about your business. If you utilize an inferior free autoresponder or software, you could encounter technical problems. Optimize your website for the search engines. Search engine optimization is a broad issue, essentially positioning your targeted keywords in places like the title tags, headings, URL, and so forth may help boost your search engine rankings. Placing your keyword in the anchored text linking back to your website may also be a huge plus. Arrange advertisement swaps. Ask other marketers if you're able to market their squeeze page to your members in exchange for them marketing yours. You are able to still do an advertisement swap even if your measure of members isn't equal to the other marketers. Advertise in e-zines and newsletters. E-zine publishers have already gained the faith of their mailing list and have affected their credibility. Use this to your benefit. Pay e-zine publishers one time to have them market your site. You get lasting members for a one-time fee. Now you're able to email your list as many times as you like. Author articles and post them to the top article directories. In your resource box, you might tempt them with quality products which they can get by signing up at your site. Simply remember to write an interest-grabbing or controversial article so they read the whole way down to your resource box. Provide rebranded ebooks for free. Within the ebooks, you may put a note inviting the reader to link up with your membership site. Upload it to ebook directories. Execute teleseminars. Interview an authority. You and the authority will then tell both of your lists to sign up on your site to gain access to the interview. The benefit of this is that you get fresh subscribers from the expert, and the expert's credibility may rub off on you. To be sure list building is a vital part of your internet marketing activities, abide by the list building strategies here, and you can be assured of a nice flow of prospects for a long time to come.